Hey, what's up, guys? I've been using this Ovitech power strip for about a month or so now. I'm really happy with it. It's actually the one that I choose to keep with me at my desk all the time. So I do different product reviews and stuff, and I'm always charging up different things. So, and you'll see it has a bunch of different outlets here. So I don't remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 outlets, 2 USB ports here, and 1 USB-C output here. So it has plenty of outputs or power ports for me to use. I a lot of times end up plugging in all types of different stuff that I'm reviewing and testing out. And it comes in a 2-pack. I think you get a couple different options of if you want black or white, and then cord size. I think I don't remember the exact cord size. I have around 5 feet or 7 feet. I don't know. Yeah, 5 feet, 7 feet, something like that. I don't remember exactly. But you get a couple different options when you look at the listing there. But I like to keep one at my desk. And then I also keep one in my room because I have like rechargeable wall sconces that need to be charged up regularly. So I like to take those down and use Ovitech power strip to plug those in and charge it with. And then just have all my phone and everything plugged into this. I also like that it has a low profile plug here. So when I go and plug it into the outlet, it doesn't stick out way away from the wall because it just has that low profile kind of 90-degree bend or angle on there. So you plug it in, it stays close to the wall, stays flat. So that's really a upside to me. I love that. And then it just looks really nice. I like the black color. It's sleek. The cord, it's not it's got kind of a black and white cool pattern that's cloth wrapped. So I like that. It just overall feels like a really good quality power strip. So definitely happy with it.